categorizing the landscape into Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal, and Palai, worshipping the deities Murugan, Thirumal, Indiran, Varunan, and Kottravai, guarded and protected by the great emperors like Cheran, Solan, Pandian, Adiyaman, Pari, Ori, Kari, and Pagan. This renowned and acclaimed Tamil language today has been promoted in this cause and growth across the globe by this virtuous Central Institute of Classical Tamil. Set up in 2004, after Tamil was conferred as a classical language, the CICT has been engaged in several research activities aimed at establishing the ancientness and uniqueness of Tamil to propagate its findings globally with the guidance of the central government. The institute, established with a view to promote the cause of classical Tamil, focuses exclusively on research and development relating to the classical phase of the Tamil language, which is from the early periods to the late 680s. The Central Institute of Classical Tamil aims to document and preserve objects that are related to or reflects on all the aspects of the ancient Tamil society. The programs that would highlight the antiquity and uniqueness of classical Tamil were carefully vetted from a standpoint of translation into action and brought into 10 major projects. The Institute's library has a rich collection of ancient Tamil books. It presently holds over 45,000 Tamil books, which includes 4,800 rare Tamil books, 2,200 e-books, a separate section for the digital versions of palm leaf manuscripts, inscriptions, tiles, and ancient texts relating to Sangam classics. It also maintains institutional repositories such as e-papers, publications, digital library website, and other related documents. Its major contributions include translation of Ulaga Podumarai Tirukkural into various languages such as English, Telugu, Kannada, Manipuri, Punjabi, and Gujarati. The institute aims to translate and publish Tirukkural into 100 Indian languages and 100 foreign languages. Institute so far presented 66 presidential awards to the Tamil scholars for their outstanding contributions. It has given grant in aid for 280 short-term projects, 620 seminars, workshops and training programs, 257 doctoral fellowships and 41 postdoctoral fellowships. In addition, this institute encourages MA Classical Tamil students at Central University Thiruvarur by providing them stipends to carry on with their studies. Published 65 research books, developed 4 Android applications for Sangam literature, released CDs and DVDs of 15 visual episodes and 3 classical Tamil verses recitals, published 40 ebooks and uploaded those to Amazon and Kindle, created a Tamil chair on Tanjavur Tamil University, contributed its part in the archaeological excavations of Kodumanal and Porundul, which serve as evidences to the rich heritage of the Tamil language. In order to boost the functioning of an organization that caters to various facets of the Tamil language, this vibrant and magnificent new building is being opened today by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, presided over by our Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru M.K. Stalin, in the presence of Honorable Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. We would like to thank our Prime Minister for his innate and profound love for Tamil, which is evident from his recent speeches quoting from the Tamil literature. வாழ்க தமிழ், வளர்க அதன் புகழ்.